the students. Now, this program, the English Communication Online Learning Program, as I told you, it's a communication program to help you understand, help you learn, and help you to speak the world's most prominent language. The 4 areas: pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary, and conversation. Now, taking you to the main note of grammar. I suppose the screen is visible to all of you. Lakshita, just unmute yourself and read the types of sentences given on the screen.
Types of sentences: positive,
Okay.
negative, interrogative,
Okay.
negative interrogative.
Really fine. Thank you so much, Lakshita. Now let us understand. Positive means हाँ, काम हो रहा है. The work is being done. काम चल रहा है. Negative, no. Work is not being done. काम नहीं हो रहा है. Interrogative, it's a question. क्या सच में काम हो रहा है? Negative interrogative, question with a not. So you see 4 types of sentences are there. Look at the right side and see the examples. I'm zooming the screen. Okay. Lakshita, just read the first sentence. Positive.
Ram is playing cricket.
It means Ram cricket खेल रहा है. ये सच बात है. It's the real point. Yes, Ram खेल रहा है. Negative sentence.
Ram is not playing cricket.
That means he's not playing cricket. वो नहीं खेल रहा है. It's a no. Come for the third category, interrogative.
Is Ram playing cricket?
It's a question. क्या वो सच में खेल रहा है? It's a question. And fourth category.
Is Ram not playing cricket?
Right. So in English, every sentence is having 4 different versions. कर रहा है, positive. नहीं कर रहा है, negative. क्या वो सच में कर रहा है? It's a question. And क्या वो नहीं कर रहा है? It's an interrogative, negative question. So whenever we will make sentence, we will go for 4 types of sentences in English. Now, this is clear. Let's move further. Now you see, there is a list of pronoun. Pronoun हिंदी में सर्वनाम. वे शब्द जो संज्ञा के स्थान पर noun की जगह काम आते हैं. Those words which are used in place of noun. Quite simple and quite common words जो आप लोगों ने सुने हैं, पढ़े हैं. Now let me ask Lavya, just unmute yourself and read the first list. Okay, there's a error, I suppose. Okay, Krishna, just proceed with the first list. Just read the words quickly.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
He is him.
Okay. Write the Hindi also. Read the Hindi also. वह he.
वह ही उसका इस
No, the
उसे
first
ही
list only. Only the first list. वह he. वह
वह
she.
ही वह शी वह इट मैं आई हम वी तुम यू वे दे.
That's it. These are the subject. ये वे नाम हैं. These are those names which are used as subject. काम करने वाला. He for boy, she for girl, it for animal. It is clear to all of you. I for खुद, खुद के लिए. We for हम सब. You, तुम और आप. They means वे. Krishna, read the second list.
उसका इस उसकी हर उसका इट मेरा माय हमारा अवर तुम्हारा योर उनका देयर.
Okay. The second list means possession. किसका सामान है? It is my pen. It is our house. It is your book. It is their car. The second list means ownership. ये चीज किसकी है? यह तुम्हारी किताब है. This is your book. So the second list means owner. Who is the owner? And Krishna, read the third list.
उसे हिम उसे हर उसे इट मुझे मी हमें अस तुम्हें यू उन्हें देम.
So these are the basic pronoun we will use in the sentence one by one. So when we make a long sentence, make sure the small words should be clear to all of you. Okay, let's move next. Now you see models, those words of English which gives you action and condition. In English, we are having models: can, could, will, would, may, might, shall, should, must, need to, ought to. These are the words जो काम को दिखाते हैं, condition को दिखाते हैं. That means मैं खाना पका सकता हूं. I can cook. Can means आप कर सकते हो या नहीं. So every word is having a condition. Total 11 words are there. We will
Excuse me,
study
sir.
them. Just a minute. Is it clear now? अब clear है आवाज? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, okay. Now, Aman, just read the words on the screen. Models.
Models. Action plus condition. Can,
Read the
could,
words.
will, may, might, should, shall, should,
Shall,
must,
should,
need to, bought to.
ought to. And tomorrow onwards, it will be compulsory for all of you to maintain only English communication in the class. If you are having a problem, must communicate in English. गलत बोले कोई बात नहीं. But try to speak the problem. अगर आपको problem है, अगर आप खुश हैं, दुखी हैं, try to speak in English only. This is what the class is all about. The words are visible to all of you. If somebody is still having problem, let me know. Total 11 words are there. Okay, let's move next. Okay, now any one of you just unmute and read what is given on the screen. Anyone?
Can,
Okay.
ability. Can I, sir?
Yeah, please proceed further.
Can, ability, योग्यता. कर सकता
Okay.
है, कर सकती हूँ, कर सकते हैं. मैं
Right.
पढ़ सकता हूँ. I can read. हम
Okay.
जा सकते हैं. We can go. वे खेल सकते हैं. They can play. मीरा नाच सकती है. मीरा can dance.
Right. That means if you can do something, if you are able to do something, can का मतलब able to. You are able to do something. Use the word can. मैं गाड़ी चला सकता हूँ. I can drive a car. I can drive my bike. I can ride my bike. Note the word. गाड़ी चलाना, drive a car. It's a bike, ride a bike. So when you can do something, आप कुछ कर सकते हैं, सकती थी, सकती है या सकते हैं. Use can. This is the positive sentence. Now let's see. You see two columns are there, negative and interrogative. Just unmute and read the first category, negative sentence. Any one of you, just unmute and read it.
Sir, can I read?
Please proceed further.
Negative. I cannot read. We cannot go. They cannot play. Mira cannot dance.
That means in negative sentences, just write cannot. And proceed with the interrogative question also. Go with the interrogative questions. Please read the interrogative part also.
Can I read? Can I go?
Okay.
Can they play? Can Mira dance?
Definitely. It's the interrogative. It's the question part. In the question part, take can in the starting. When you're speaking a question, when you want to ask a question, just keep the word at the beginning. Can को start में लिखिए, वो question बन जाएगा. In Hindi, क्या मैं पढ़ सकता हूँ? क्या हम जा सकते हैं? क्या वे खेल सकते हैं? क्या मीरा डांस कर सकती है? Can means सकता, सकती, सकते. It's a positive sentence. I can sing. मैं गा सकता हूँ. I cannot sing. मैं गा नहीं सकता. Can I sing? क्या मैं गा सकता हूँ? This is the first model. Can. Okay. Now you must be able to see the screen. Are you able to see the screen, all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Now let's see. The second topic is could. Now any one of you again unmute and read what is given on the screen. Could. Anyone just unmute and read what is given on the screen.
Could.
Okay.
Past.
Continue.
योग्यता. Ability. पहले थी.
Okay.
कर
continue,
सकता
please.
था, कर सकती थी, कर सकते थे.
Okay.
Equal to could plus verb की first form.
Right.
हम खेल
Verb
सकते
first.
थे. We
Okay.
could play.
Okay. That's
Was
it. Okay. Now let me explain. Could means कर सकते थे. पहले वो चीज आती थी, अब नहीं आती. You see the formula? Just read the first formula. Positive.
positive. Subject plus could plus verb की first form plus object.
Okay. Negative.
subject plus could plus verb की first form plus object.
Could not. It is a negative
Could
sentence.
not.
It should be could not.
Not.
Interrogative.
Could plus subject plus verb की first form plus object.
And negative interrogative.
Could plus subject plus not plus verb की first form plus object.
Okay, now let's go for some examples. Now you can see the example on the screen. Now just go with the examples one by one. Continue. Anyone, just unmute and continue.
मैं मैच जीत सकता था. I could win the match.
Okay, मैं मैच जीत सकता था. Not today, but पहले. In the past tense, I could win the match. Next,
मैं मैच नहीं जीत सकता था. I could not win the match.
it's a negative sentence. Next,
क्या मैं मैच जीत सकता था? Could I win the match?
it's an interrogative question. Last,
क्या मैं मैच नहीं जीत सकता था? Could I not win the match?
okay. Now is it clear to all of you? Could means सकता था. मैं कर सकता था, मैं कर नहीं सकता था. Is it clear to all of you? Then please unmute and give me your response.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay then, thank you.
Yes,
So
sir.
could means सकता था. Okay, okay, just a minute. Okay, now let me have an oral test of all of you one by one. Okay, let's begin with Naresh. Naresh, I will give you in Hindi one sentence. मैं खाना खा सकता था. Try in English. मैं खाना खा सकता था.
I can eat.
Not I could eat. I could
Could eat.
eat. Okay. Okay, Mansi, you try. मैं चित्र बना सकती थी.
I could.
I could.
चित्र. I could make drawing.
Make a. I
Make
could
a
make a
drawing.
drawing. I could draw a picture
Make a
of.
drawing.
Correct. Okay. Could.
We could go to the market.
That's it. You have to make the sentence with could. सकते थे. Okay. Krishna, you try the sentence. हम पानी पी सकते थे. हम पानी पी सकते थे.
We could take
Okay.
a water.
We could drink the water. Pina. We could
drink the water. Yes, sir.
make the negative
We
sentence
could drink the
quickly.
water.
Okay, make the negative sentence.
We could not drink the water.
Okay, make an interrogative sentence.
Interrogative, sir.
हाँ, interrogative question.
Sir, can I?
Okay, you may try. I could drink the water. Interrogative.
Interrogative. I could.
हाँ, I could drink the water.
Could I drink the water?
And interrogative negative.
I could not drink the water. नहीं, ये तो
No,
sentence हो गया.
it's a negative sentence. I could not.
Yeah.
Make it question. Okay, now. So,
Couldn't I drink the water?
okay, that's the perfect set. Couldn't or could I not drink the water? So the idea is clear. Positive, negative, interrogative, and negative interrogative. Now let me take you to the next topic. Okay, let me show the screen to you. Okay. Now you see the next topic. The next topic is may. M-A-Y. May yani shayad. The chance or probability. The chance or probability. Krishna, just read what is given on the screen.
Yes, sir.
Continue.
वह शायद आज आएगा.
Okay.
He may come today.
हाँ. May means shayad. Next sentence.
आज शायद बारिश होगी. It may
It may.
rain today.
Right. May का मतलब है शायद. Not sure. संभावना. That is not confirm. It may or may not. May मतलब होगा. May not नहीं होगा. Okay. Navika ji, just unmute yourself and read the first
Yes, sir.
sentence again. Just read the first sentence.
आज शायद बारिश होगी. It may rain today.
Okay, may का मतलब संभावना. It is not sure, but it may or may not rain today. Read the second sentence.
हम शायद कल काम पूरा करेंगे. We
Okay.
may complete the work tomorrow.
हाँ, हम यानी we, शायद यानी may, complete काम करना, क्या करेंगे? वर्क करेंगे. कब करेंगे? Tomorrow, next day. This is a positive sentence. We may complete the work tomorrow. Navika ji, read the negative sentence, second number.
We may not complete the work tomorrow.
That is a negative sentence. We may not. हम शायद कल काम पूरा नहीं करेंगे. Read the third sentence, interrogative question.
May we complete the work tomorrow?
ये क्वेश्चन है. It's a question. क्या हम कल काम पूरा करेंगे शायद? Read the last
शायद
question.
हम कल काम पूरा करेंगे.
Okay. Read the last question.
May we not complete the work tomorrow?
Okay. It's a negative interrogative. हम शायद कल काम पूरा नहीं करेंगे. करेंगे नहीं करेंगे. It's a question. So this is the third model, may. First model, can, कर सकते हैं. Second, could, कर सकते थे. May, it's not sure. May मतलब संभावना, शायद कर सकते हैं या नहीं कर सकते. And to all of you who are present in the class, this Sunday we will be having an oral test with all of you. Whatever you are studying, models, subject, verb, vocabulary, whatever you are learning, there will be an oral test this Sunday 4 p.m. So be sure with whatever you are learning. आप जो पढ़ रहे हैं वो clear होना चाहिए. Okay. So models तीन हमने देख लिए. We have seen the three models: can, could, and may. Now let me take you to the next slide. Okay. Now today you see you have got the basic idea, models. You are learning how to make sentence: positive, negative, interrogative, negative, interrogative. Now on the screen you see the biggest part of English, tense. In Hindi, काम के होने का समय. काम के होने का समय. In English, we have three tenses. Navika, just read the three.
Yes, sir.
Please read the name.
Present, past, future. वर्तमान.
Future. Present means today. Past means पहले, yesterday. Future means tomorrow, कल होगा. Now, in each category we have four names. Navika, just read the four names in present tense.
Simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous.
Okay. Now you have to read the full name. Present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Now read the past category.
Past simple, past continuous, past perfect continuous.
And read the future category.
Past simple, past continuous, past perfect continuous.
Okay, done. Total 12 tense are there. Now any one of you, apart from Navika ji, any one of you, just read all the 12 names together. Read the 12 names together. Anyone? Unmute and go for it. Be quick.
Sir, can I?
Proceed, please, Lavya.
Yes.
The first voice is a boy. Proceed further. I got the first voice. Then, Lavya, you are there, no?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Lavya. Okay, then proceed further. The 12 names. Quick.
Present simple, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Past simple, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Future simple, future continuous, future perfect continuous.
Okay. So in today's class, remember and learn these 12 names very clearly. इन 12 नामों को अच्छी तरह learn करिए. Learn these 12 names clearly. Tomorrow we will start the tense one by one. In tomorrow's class, we will study models also, 2 models and 1 tense per day. 12 tenses, 12 days. But 1 tense should be very much clear to all of you one by one. So today the homework is to learn the names of tense very clearly.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Now, models we have done can, could and may. 3 models देख लिए हमने. Now we have done with the tense also. The 12 names should be clear. Now, let's move further. Okay. You see, vocabulary, word, power. Now, again, I request any one of you unmute and go for a quick reading of the words. V1, V2, V3. V1, V2, V3. Be quick and go for it.
भूलना, forget, forgot, forgotten. माफ करना,
Perfect.
forgive. Sir, I
Forgive,
can't forgive,
forgive,
forgiven.
forgiven. माफ करना.
सीना, stitch, stitch, stitch. सोना,
Okay,
sleep,
सोना,
slept, slept. उठना,
उठना,
get up, got up, got up. बैठना,
बैठना,
sit, sat, sat.
उगना.
उगना, grow, grew, grown. Rise,
Okay,
rose, risen.
risen. Now see, अगर आप पौधे की बात करें, if you're talking about a plant, you are talking about a plant, is it grow and grew and grown? It's a plant is growing. But सूरज उग रहा है, it is rise, rose and risen. For sun, it is rise, sun is rising, सूरज उग रहा है. पौधे उग रहे हैं, plants growing. For plants it is grow, for sun it is rise. Next, continue.
समझना, understand, understood, understood.
Okay,
समझना,
and
explain.
समझाना. There is a spelling
Oh,
mistake.
sorry,
It
sir.
is समझाना.
समझाना. Explain, explained, explained. Manana,
Last word.
convince, convinced, convinced.
Okay, so these are the words of V1, V2, and V3. Tomorrow in the tense part, we will use these words in V1, V2, and V3 form. Okay, now let's move further. Words of wisdom. We have quickly come to the main part. A proverb, English kahavat. Just any one of you, go for it.
जहाँ चाहे वहाँ ही रहे. Where
No.
where is will
There
there
is
is a
way. It means jahan chah, wahan
Chaha.
rah. Chah means you want something. If you want something in your life, you will definitely get a way. Way means rasta. Where there is will yani himmat. Will means courage, himmat. So if you are having courage, if you are having willpower, you will definitely get a solution to your problem. So the proverb is, where there is will, there is the way. अगर आप हिम्मत करेंगे, you will get a new way, a new road, a new solution to your problem. So this is in English, this is a proverb. Where there is will, now there is a way. In English, दो will होते हैं. One is the model, Ram will come. It's a model. And here will means himmat. Will means courage. Okay. Is it clear to all of you? If any one of you got any doubt, let me know. Okay, let's move further. Now you see, on the last note we have arrived. Let's speak. You want to ask some questions to each other. Okay. Let me see. Let's speak means you want to ask something. First question. Asking your name. आप नाम कैसे पूछेंगे? How will you ask a name? May I know your good name, please? Use the word, may I know your good name? Or please speak in a comfortable manner. भागते हुए नहीं कहना है. Speak slowly and clearly. May I know your good name? That's the first question. Asking time. Could you please tell me the time? Okay. Third question. Asking for water. May I have some water? Could you please give me some water? So if you want to ask something, you can start your question with may or could. Is this part clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, so this is the speaking part. We are done. In daily sessions, I will give you 3 or 5 sentences to speak clearly. This is the direct English without any rules. You want to ask a name? May I know your good name? Could you please give me some water? Could you please give me some time? Could you please give me your pen? कुछ मांगना चाहते हैं आप लोग. You want to ask something. कुछ चाहते हैं आप. Begin your question with could. Okay. Now.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please.
Can I ask something?
Please, definitely.
Sir, could you and can you में कोई difference है? Could you and
Right.
can
Right.
you same है, I think.
In grammar, can means अभी की बात हो रही है. Could means पहले की बात थी. So can is a present tense word. Could is a past tense word. First point. Second point, if you are not checking the grammar, अगर हम grammar के नियम ना देखें, then can is simple, could is more polite. Could शब्द सुनने में अच्छा लगता है. Can इतना polite word नहीं माना जाता है. If you want to ask for pen, can I take your pen? It's correct. Could I please take your pen? It is better. Can I take your pen? It's the right sentence. Could I please take your pen? It's also right. But the importance of could is more than can. Could शब्द सुनने में polite है, can polite नहीं है. So meaning wise, could is more important. And if you see the grammar, can means present tense and could means past tense. But if you are asking a question, if you are requesting something, could is more better. अगर आप request करना चाहते हैं, could से करिए, वो ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है सुनने में. If I am talking to you in Hindi, तेरा नाम बता, तेरा नाम बता, आपका नाम बताइए. दोनों सेंटेंस का मीनिंग एक ही है. तेरा नाम बता, आपका नाम बताइए. But आप is more polite. So could is more polite.
Okay,
Clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
If you want to make a request, can I ask something? Right? Could I please ask something? This is more better. Could I please ask something? Okay, now. Now this is the speaking part. Now for tomorrow's assignment, now what all of you will do, you will write up on a paper, you will write a handwritten note, why I learn English. मुझे English क्यों सीखनी है? You will write on a paper and send me the pic on my WhatsApp number. Reason, I want to check your handwriting first, and I want to check your idea. It can be 2 or 3 lines. It can be half page. Whatever you want. You have to write a handwritten note why I learn English. मैं English क्यों सीखूं? But it should be in your handwriting, not type message. On a piece of paper, write in your own handwriting, write in English, and let me know why you want to learn English. And I will be checking your handwriting and your idea why you want to learn English. So I suppose this will be your tomorrow's assignment. Submit your assignment on my WhatsApp number, which I've given to you. So, is this
Okay,
clear to
sir.
all of you? It's getting 5 o'clock now. Okay. Now I will give you one sentence each in Hindi. Try to make in English quickly. Okay, Mansi, start with you. मैं शायद स्कूल जाऊंगा. Try in English. मैं शायद
Maybe I
स्कूल
go.
जाऊंगा.
Maybe I go to school tomorrow.
No, that is not correct. I may go school. Maybe is different. You have to say I may go school. Maybe सही है, but right. Maybe is also correct, but you cannot write maybe in the
Sir,
beginning.
In
Yeah, please.
normal language, we use maybe or
Right. But grammatically, it should be may. I may go school. Okay? And always start your sentence with subject. पहले नाम आना चाहिए. Okay. Lakshita, your sentence. हम शायद स्कूल नहीं जाएंगे.
We may not go to school.
We may not go to school. And try to be very clear and confident. We may not go to school. Quite clear and convenient. Okay. Krishna, your sentence. पापा शायद ऑफिस से नहीं आएंगे. पापा शायद ऑफिस से नहीं आएंगे.
Yes, sir.
So try in English.
Dad, may I not come office?
Dad may not come
May not come office.
from office.
From office.
Office. Say. Now repeat again.
Dad may not come from office.
Okay. Dad may not come from office. Okay. Okay. Now let me take with Navika ji on the last turn. Okay. Navika ji, your turn.
Yes, sir.
मम्मी शायद ही हमें बुलाएगी. Mummy.
Mom maybe call me.
Not me, not be. Mom may call me.
Okay.
And whenever in Hindi, जब हिंदी में हम कहते हैं शायद ही, then in English we have to use may not. हिंदी में आप जब कहते हैं शायद ही, in English it is may not. Mom may not call us. Mom, माँ शायद ही मुझे बुलाएगी. लगता है माँ नहीं बुलाने वाली. माँ शायद ही मुझे बुलाएगी. Use may not. Mom may not call me. Okay. Now Aman, it goes to you. Aman, are you there?
Yes, भैया.
Okay. Your sentence is भैया शायद ही आ जाएंगे.
भैया will come today.
No. Will नहीं. No will. Use may not. भैया शायद ही आ जाएंगे.
भैया may come today.
May not come today.
May not come today.
So in Hindi, if I say मैं शायद आऊंगा, I may come. मैं शायद ही आऊंगा, I may not come. See the difference? शायद may. शायद ही may not. Okay? So this is for today's class. We studied the can, could and may. We studied the 12 names of tense. We studied V1, V2, V3. And tomorrow, by tomorrow, everybody submit a handwritten page to me. I will check your handwriting, how you write the English letters. What's your idea about the English class? Why you want to learn English? Tomorrow I will check your answers on the WhatsApp. On the last note, tomorrow we shall start the very first tense, present simple tense. We'll start tomorrow. Okay then? So wishing you thanks a lot for the same and wish you a best of health and happiness. जब आप कुछ खत्म करते हैं तो सामने वाले को आप कह सकते हैं wish
Thank
you
you, sir.
welcome, and at the end you can say wish you best of health and happiness. अपनी health और खुशियों का ख्याल रखिएगा. Okay class, thank you so
Thank
much.
you,
And see you
sir.
tomorrow. Okay, welcome
Thank
to
you,
all of
sir.
us.